The Amico 42-inch ceiling fan with light combines functionality with style, making it a great decorative piece for any home. With the included remote control, you can easily adjust fan speed, light color temperature, and set a sleep timer for convenience. This ceiling fan features a low-profile flush mount design, making it suitable for a variety of indoor and outdoor spaces. Designed for silent operation, it provides a peaceful environment, ideal for light sleepers and families with children or elderly members. The reversible DC motor allows for efficient air circulation, keeping you comfortable in both summer and winter. The fan's customizable light settings let you adjust brightness and color temperature to suit any occasion or room ambiance,